Hi, Miss M6521. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Sheila Barasi. I'm 49 years old. I have four kids. This ages is 23, 22, 20, and 19. I finished also 2 years courses, junior secretariat. I live in Rodriguez, Rizal. And I do also course cleaning, ironing, take care of the baby, and ironing, marketing, etc.
Okay, since I saw that you have experience taking care of a baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a baby, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
First, I prepare. I also take the body temperature and I feed the I feed the baby and I make also bread for the baby.
Okay, if the baby won't stop to cry after you did all of your best, what will you do?
Yeah, I call my employer.
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I work in Hong Kong because the Hong Kong is high salary and it's also good country and I also need for for my family needs.
Okay, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more. It depends my employers.
Okay, for sure you have an idea how to prepare Chinese food, right?
Yes.
What kind of Chinese food can you prepare?
Soup or either fried one and steamed fish and stream the shrimp.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
Yes, I'm
It
waiting.
is okay to you to color your hair into black.
Yes.
How about taking care of pets?
Yes.
Taking care of elderly.
Yes, also.
Sharing room with kids.
It's okay.
Okay. Your message for your employer.
To my employer, I hope if you choose me, I do my best and I take care of your children as my health as my daughter also and to you all family. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you very much, Miss Chila. Thank you.